This is how I strain my tomatoes for canning. I usually collect all my tomatoes as they come off the plant, and I put them in the freezer until I have enough to can. So this pot was full, and I cooked them for a little bit so they all release the juices, and then I will ladle them into a blender. Blend the whole tomatoes down. Then I have a strainer. This is from the dollar store. And I pour the puree into the strainer. Now this would take forever to actually drain by itself, so I'll take the ladle and I'm going to just massage the puree with the ladle in a circular motion, and then it pushes through the juice and the pulp. Takes a few seconds to do one, and once that's done, I ended up with just a mush of skin and seeds that I just dispose. And then repeat. So a blender full of fresh tomato will take me about 30 seconds to strain. And I will end up with just the edible pulp and juice, which I'm going to continue to cook for a couple of hours, because when I can my tomato sauce, I like it on the thicker side. This 8-quart pot of tomatoes, cooked tomatoes, will cook down to give me about 4 quarts of tomato sauce. So that's it. You don't need any special equipment just for your tomato canning.